In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page name in Looker Studio. Whether you're refining a project or just looking to improve the organization within your reports, renaming a page can be a great asset. Let's dive in and explore these steps in detail. First, you'll need to head over to the Looker Studio website. The interface is user-friendly and everything you need is right at your fingertips. Once you're there, you should click on the Recent button. This will display a list of your recent projects and reports so you can quickly locate the file you're looking for without having to sift through all your documents. If you frequently work with Looker Studio, this can be a major time saver. Next, click on the specific file whose page name you wish to change. Now you're well on your way to editing your report. After opening your file, turn your attention to the upper part of your screen and find the Edit button. Clicking on Edit allows you access to all the customizing options in Looker Studio, which is crucial for making any changes. Now, look for the Page option. This is where you can manage different aspects of the pages within your report. Click on Page, which will present you with several options, and then proceed to Manage Pages. This section is where you can see all the pages within your report, making it easier to organize your content effectively. Once you've opened Manage Pages, look through the list and select the page you wish to rename. This is a good moment to verify you're choosing the correct page, especially if you have multiple pages with similar content. After selecting the page, you'll notice 3 dots. These usually indicate more options or settings. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a small menu. From this menu, you'll find the option to rename. It's a straightforward option that's often placed here for any page edits you might need to make. Clicking on Rename will allow you to enter a new name for your page. A tip here, make sure your new page name is both descriptive and concise to avoid confusion later when navigating through your report. Finally, after you've typed in the desired name for your page, you can hit Enter or click Away to save your changes. It's important to ensure your changes are saved so nothing is lost, especially if you're in the middle of an extensive editing session. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the page name in Looker Studio, making your reports more organized and easier to navigate. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy reporting.